Which MSI MPG A750GF power supply is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the options can be overwhelming and confusing. Today, we're digging deep to help you make sense of it all. Product number 1, MAG A750GL power supply. First up is the MAG A750GL from MSI. This fully modular 750W power supply caught my eye with its 80+ gold certification and a price tag of $86.99. If you want reliability without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With a 10-year warranty, you can trust that this unit is built to last. Plus, the fully modular design means you only connect the cables you need, keeping your build tidy and airflow optimized. Over 5,500 reviews give it a solid 4.5-star rating, which shows it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about it running a bit warm under heavy load. Here's the thing though, as long as you pair it with good cooling, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're building a mid-range gaming rig or just want a reliable power supply. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more wattage for high-end setups, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the MAG A750GL's heat issue concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Thermaltake Smart 700W PSU. Next, we have the Thermaltake Smart 700W PSU. Priced at $54.99, it's a budget-friendly option that boasts an impressive 4.6-star rating from 4,200 reviews. If you need reliable continuous power without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth considering. With an efficiency rating of up to 86%, you're getting a good balance of performance and power savings. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year warranty, which is reassuring. However, some customers mentioned that the cable management could be better. But honestly, for a budget option, you can't expect everything to be perfect. If you're okay with a little extra work on cable management, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need a solid power supply for basic setups. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or modularity, but it's a great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for gamers who need something more powerful. Product number 3, MSI MPG A850GF power supply. The third product is the MSI MPG A850GF power supply. Retailing at $161, this unit stands out with 100% Japanese capacitors and a 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews. If you're building a high-performance rig, this is definitely worth a look. The 10-year warranty adds a layer of confidence for serious gamers. The high wattage ensures you won't run into power shortages, even with power-hungry components. Now, some users pointed out that it's on the pricier side. Here's the thing though, if you're investing in high-end hardware, this price is justifiable considering the performance and longevity you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're looking to build a top-tier gaming machine. Skip this one if your setup is low to mid-range, as you might not need all that wattage. But for value, it's hard to beat. Now, if that price tag raised an eyebrow, this next option balances quality and cost effectively. Product number 4, MSI MPG A850G power supply. The fourth product is the MSI MPG A850G, priced at $109.99. This power supply is another solid choice with a 10-year warranty and a rating of 4.6 stars from 2,900 reviews. If you're seeking a balance between power and efficiency, this might catch your interest. It also features Japanese capacitors, which are known for their reliability and performance. The low-noise operation is a big plus for gamers who want a quiet environment. However, some users have mentioned that it doesn't come with enough SATA cables for larger builds. But honestly, this is a common issue with many power supplies, and you can easily purchase additional cables if needed. This is perfect for you if you want a silent yet powerful power supply for gaming. Skip this if you need extensive cable options right out of the box, but for the price and performance, it's a great buy. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact and budget-friendly, our last pick might be just what you need. Product number 5, MSI MPG A750GF power supply. Finally, we have the MSI MPG A750GF coming in at $64.99. With a remarkable 4.8-star rating from 247 reviews, this semi-modular power supply is perfect for budget-conscious builds. The semi-modular design allows you to customize your cables while keeping things organized. Some users did mention that it lacks advanced features seen in pricier models, but look, if you're just starting out or building a budget-friendly PC, these features might not be necessary for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to build a solid but affordable gaming rig. Skip this if you aim for high-end performance, but it's an excellent value for those on a budget. And that wraps up our top 5 picks for MSI MPG A750GF power supplies. So to recap, we started with the MPG A750GL, which is reliable and budget-friendly. Then we had the Thermaltake Smart 700W for those who need something quieter. The MSI MPG A1000W is for serious gamers needing high wattage, followed by the MPG A850G that strikes a great balance. Finally, the MPG A650GF is perfect for budget builds.